just gonna tell you that, Max, he's eating a lot of grass today at the dog park. But he's getting his exercise, and he's just gonna say that, some days we're happy, some days we're frustrated, and some days we're sick, some days we're frustrated and mad and upset, some days we're disappointed, but every day we just don't give up. We go for a walk, we enjoy our life, and Max, stop eating the grass. And we just don't give up. So that's my message today is don't give up. Oh, there's another little puppy. Come on, Max.